My name is Mutwana, or you can call me Hamish. Mutwana Wabanjo, you can call me Hamish. So before we get started, if you FaceTime, make sure you leave the comments below. Even if you are always here, right? Leave the comments below so I know all the other people who are watching this video. And it's very, very important for me to continue to make this type of video. Now let's get started. So they say solve the following differential equation. Let's start with the first one. So the first one, they say just solve it, but they give you hint, put y equal to vx. So I'm gonna play around with that and see how I can take that and substitute right here. So I know for facts, if I look careful, y over x means y over x equal to v, because I can flip y over x equal to v, and then here dy over dx means I can take that and differentiate. So let's not do a lot of talkings, okay? Let's start the show. So I'm gonna say y equal to vx. So this one is going to be vx, but let me differentiate. This is going to be dy over dx. Okay, now let's do product rule here. If you do product rule, I can put v constant and then differentiate x. When you differentiate x, it's going to be dx over dx, because look, it's going to be dx because I differentiate the x, but with respect to x. Plus, now this is going to be x differentiate v. X is constant, when you differentiate v, it's going to be dv over respect to dx over dx equal to 1. So I don't have to say dx over dx, I can just say v plus that. So I'm going to use these very, very soon, okay? Now we go. So I can replace a lot of things here. So I'm going to say this is going to become x, and then dy over dx, let's put a little bracket here, dy dx equal to v plus, and this is going to be x, dy dv, so it's my dv over dx, and then minus, what is y? Y equal to vx. So this is going to be vx equal to, now x tan y over x. What is y over x? Y over x equal to v. So this is going to be tan of v. So what I can do here, I can simply see, maybe, let me expand and see what is going to happen next. X times v equal to vx. And this x times this is going to be x squared dv dx. And then I'll take this over. So there's going to be x tan v plus vx. So what is next? Look, this vx and vx is the same thing, so they can simply cancel. So then I'm left with x squared dv dx, and then equal to x tan v. Let me give you that secret. The secret that my grandma used to tell me. When you got the type of equation, you must first say easy. 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 Easy, man. So what we're going to do right here, we're going to say, okay, let me separate the variable. We're done already. We're almost done. Let me separate. X must be x and y must be y, okay? So now, this x, let me take everything to that side. So dv, I'm going to leave only v on this side. So we're going to over, because I've divided by tan v, so it's going to be over tan v equal, x is going to be x, and then multiply by dx, then we over what? Over x squared, because I'll get rid of x squared. I'm going to put all the x on the right, and then all the v on the left. So over x squared. 1 and 1 x cancel, so it means I'll be left with 1 over x. So I can say dv over tan v equal to 1 over x dx. Now let's integrate throughout. So we're going to integrate, and we're going to integrate easy. Easy. So when you integrate 1 over tan, or integral for 1 over tan, or 1 over tan. 1 over tan means cot x dx is give us ln of sine x. You have to know that. Okay, this is very, very important. You have to know from the integral rules. So then, when you integrate this is going to give you what? Ln sec v equal, okay. Sec v equal to when you integrate 1 over x, it's going to give you ln of x plus my constant c. But hey, from the equation they didn't give us v. From the equation they give us the equation in terms of x and y. So uv has to go. Okay, let's remove the v. So this is going to be ln sec. Oh my god, ln of sine. What am I talking about here? is sine, people. Ln of sine v. Sorry, I apologize. So ln of sine, right? Sine of v, and then equal to ln of x. But I like to put my absolute. You know why? Because anything which is in front of ln, it has to be positive. See, anything in front of sine, in front of ln or logarithm has to be positive. For example, if somebody give you log -2, you know that's going to give you error. If somebody give you ln -3 or any negative number, it must be error. That's what I say. Anything in front of ln, it must be positive, because that's why I put the absolute. Because anything which is inside the absolute is going to become positive. There's no way anything, because we know if it's negative, it's going to be error. That's why whenever I have my ln, you can see I just put absolute. Absolute. And for that being said, the first question, that's how it get down. That's how we do. Okay? So what I want to do right now, let me check the time and see if the time. Listen, don't forget to leave a comment. Oh, question number 2. But let's check the time first to see if the time is okay for me to do 2 questions in 1 video. It's 6 minutes. I'm thinking I don't want to make this video too long, okay? So let me just tap here for this video, because I don't want to make too long. Yeah? So we can stop here for this video, and then I'll make another video which is going to be under the link below for this one. What do you think? Or should I continue this and then make it easy? Easy. 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 I love mathematics. You see, we make things very easy. So if you FaceTime, please tell me where you come from. Leave the comments below. Okay, share this video, like this video, and easy, man. Let me give you a secret. I didn't tell you the secrets about solving this. So for you to solve these, whenever they say int y equal to vx, what you need to do, you need to play around, see how you can substitute any of these, and also make sure you differentiate also. Okay? And when you differentiate also, and then it get easy. What you do, you go with the flow, you separate the variable, and then after you separate the variable, it get quite easy. Easy. Very easy. You know? I'm trying to, follow me on all the social media and tell me what type of question you want me to solve. Leave in comments below. For that being said, peace and out. And I'm out. Peace. Ow. Peace. Peace. We are all easy. 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 So the next video, I'm gonna do this on here, because I don't like to make the long video. Sometimes it's not so good. You make a longer video and somebody says, oh, that video was very long, man. Please make sure video. But if you want me to do a lot of equation in one video, then I could have done that, or I can do this. So leave a comments and tell me what you think. Thanks for your time. For that being said, peace and out. Bye.